Can your business run securely without a white paper? Let's find out. A white paper is indispensable for any cryptocurrency project, be it ICO, launching a stable coin, or coming up with any blockchain coin. Basically, a white paper makes it easier to generate buzz. Generating buzz makes it easier to raise funds, regardless of the launch model chosen by the crypto project. A project may choose to go with an initial stake offering, ISO, or even a more traditional finance-friendly approach or venture capital funding. It doesn't matter. A white paper is a must, as it will serve every serious project well. Bitcoin famously launched a few months after the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto issued its famous white paper online in October 2008. Cryptocurrencies are known to publish white papers during initial coin offerings, ICOs, and frequently issued white papers to entice users and investors to their projects. It's safe to say, white papers earn investors' trust and solidify their decision to put their money into your project. Here are some perks of white paper development. Expand brand presence. Light paper creation and design. Build trust and credibility. Reach out to investors and partners. Amplify audience engagement. Lead generation. For many crypto projects today, the white paper is considered to be the most important part of the launch. If a business owner does not have the time or skills to write a white paper, they can always hire a development company. Well, this is where Blocktunix steps ahead to help you throughout the process. We create white papers populated with authoritative information that is equally accessible to the less knowledgeable minds of public investors. Our white paper development process involves design compiled in a content-rich document to it visually appealing for your potential investors. Position yourself as an industry expert. Let's build a strong foundation for your crypto project with an excellent white paper. Get in touch with our team to learn about the same.